what can you make amendment in the law so as to make this mandatory, so as to ease the burden of the locals who are residing, so that the carrying capacity can be analyzed. And in the context of the Gram Sabhas, I'm not talking of single units, I'm not talking of a few units, but when it comes to multiple units.
हांव तेका मुद्दम सांगपा सोदतां. Today also, as you move in entire Goa, it becomes very difficult to distinguish between a rural area and an urban area. That's why a new term also is being used, calling it ru-urban. Which is rural, which is urban, you cannot make out. But एकूच mechanism ha panchayatin, and that mechanism, because it is grassroots democracy, it is the people who decide in the Gram Sabha. Oh, amka project naka. In some cases, they have managed to stop also, which you have seen. Judges can do very little. All they can do is the people in that village can come together and think.
What way can you, as a Panchayat Minister, permit the amendment of the Panchayat Raj Act to take these factors into consideration, which can be considered by a Panchayat when giving the construction license? So at least that is the demand. If you can't make an amendment, at least why don't you make a provision for the government to carry out the carrying capacity in each of these villages?
A simple question. What is the way to do it? I am asking you.
You amend the statute, I will give you the wordings.
No, then what is the way to do it?
I will give the wordings. You make an assurance, I give the wordings. I want.
Right, protect purpose.
Yes.
I am asking you therefore.
I'll give you the amendment. I'll give you the suggestion. I don't have a problem.
The question is, as a representative of the cabinet, answering this question, is the government wanting to carry out a carrying capacity study? Sarkar ती carrying capacity study करून स्वतः guidelines नी
capacity study करपा जाय. इंतून दुसरेय डिपार्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व जातले. हांव माझे डिपार्टमेंट असो मूव करून बाकीचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व करून we will work out, try to work out a mechanism to work out the carrying capacity of every village in Goa for that matter.